Well, boys,
Just put the cardboard away.
are we ready? Are we ready?
You do that nasty thing that makes that room stink.
I will, but I want to start on this first. Put your
Go do that
bulge
first
away.
so we can all stay focused.
I was.
Balls are away.
Huh?
What balls?
Anyway, let's dunk this.
I thought it was ladies and gentlemen. And then it's supposed to be what? Start your engines or something like that?
That's the last line of the national anthem. Are we gonna stick it in?
Stick it in, stick it in.
We're sticking it in, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Are we gonna be able to go high enough? Probably not.
Can you take me high enough?
Don't give up your day. Oh no, don't
Diamond.
give up your day job.
Yeah, I don't know if we want to go much higher than that.
Oh, you got to.
We're gonna have to. We have to take it up to the max.
Take
we can get out of it.
it up, big boy.
We're gonna have to be stupid careful.
Or at least stupid.
You're already doing that.
Shut up, Xander Ho. All right, you're going to hit the door. Let's go forward a little bit. All right, I'm going to help these boys, and then we will resume in a moment.
Just, move the door up more?
You could, but you should go in, too.
Because I think what I'm gonna do is I'll get
Horn blows.
inside the car to lift up the transmission so you guys can start edging it in.
We're going to be edging.
So we can start edging the engine in.
Hey, who's edging who?
We're going to be edging while he's inside.
I'm gonna get inside the car. You're gonna stop filming in a second.
Because we have to start edging.
We can't edge off all.
We can, but that's on the premium channel.
That's on our OnlyFans. Our OnlyFans is Desiree Classics. It's $5 a month. Or you could pay like $15 for 3 months. I mean, for 2 months. Yeah,
What?
that's more expensive.
Wait. Anyway, all right. Next time you see it, we're going to be sticking it in and edging. All right. Hood's off.
I know my check engine light comes on quite a bit these days.
Xander.
It just keeps saying, "Fuck it."
Xander, how are you the only person
Like,
under
I won't go to the doctor about
40
the
here?
surgery they want to do on my back. Fuck that. I blood
Eric, say hi.
Hey.
You can watch yourself on YouTube later.
Hey, I can see my kids like that.
Oh, yeah. All right. Hood's off. Pants off, dance off. Just kidding. We're not doing pants off, dance off. Ooh, that's pretty with this. Ooh, that's pre-shot. Hold on. Then there's Scotty making it not so pretty, but whatever. All right. We're going to stick it in. Look at this angle. It's coming at me. We're putting it in. Good job, boys.
We definitely got to go in.
Pulling the lines out of the way.
Yep,
so we don't
thank you,
snag
sir.
them.
Eric showed up at the right day.
Hey, you guys could need an extra set of hands. This would have ridden a real fucking bearcat.
All right. Keep her coming, boys.
Go ahead.
Okay, start lining up your motor mounts.
I've got to tilt it and come actually back a half inch.
Stop a hair.
We got to come back towards. We got to go towards the
Bobby,
front.
turn the motor to turn it to the driver's side.
Like that.
Yep,
Yep.
right there, and then just down. We're like lined up right over the.
Does
slot.
somebody want
I'm
to
already
stick
in on
the?
mine.
Somebody want to stick the floor jack down here?
Keep going right
There it is.
Okay, we're in.
Okay, now somebody put the floor jack back here on the tail housing,
Yeah, we got to get the tail shaft up.
and then we can do the trans mount and be done. Well, that wasn't so bad.
Nice.
Put it right on the thing, right there. Jack me up, Scotty. All right, keep going.
Tell me when.
I'm gonna have you go a little over center, so when the cross member goes in, it's easy.
All right, just tell me when.
I think you'll be all right there. All right, leave everything there, boys. Look at that. Nice work.